Alright, what's up everybody? I just went to AutoZone and I picked up these Duralast loaded strut assemblies. They're for the front of this 2002 Toyota Tundra. If you're using this video as a guide, it should apply for any first gen Tundras really. So there you go. We're gonna get started throwing these on, and the reason I'm replacing mine is because they're just super wore out. Like mine just squeak the whole time I'm going down the road. It's just and it's so annoying. So pick these up. They're like 250 bucks for both of them, so not terrible, but we'll throw them on. You take these off by removing 3 nuts from the top of the strut and 1 bolt from the bottom of the strut. I believe they're 14 millimeters up top, and I'm not sure about that one. I'll find out in just a second and let you know. So I'm gonna go grab my wrenches and sockets and we'll get started. So I had to get a little cheater bar out because these nuts were seized on. The one in the back is going to be even worse because you can't get a ratchet to it. You have to use a wrench. Alright, I'm working on getting these 3 14 millimeter bolts out again. That back one, it sucks, I'm not going to lie to you. I've been having to use a wrench on it, but it might be in your best interest just to cut these off, honestly, because you're not going to need them again. Just make sure you don't damage any of the little frame part right there that the strut goes up into. But if I was doing it over again, I probably would cut it off. Alright, the 19 millimeter nut that I'm talking about is this one right here. I've about got it off. It was pretty tight too, but it wasn't as bad as the top one. So it's spinning on me, so I'm gonna have to throw a wrench on that other side. Alright, so the strut is out. Looks awful. I'm glad to have that thing replaced. Alright, so I've got my new strut here, and you gotta have it facing the right way. You need to make sure you've got it the right way just by looking at the holes, or you can look at the old shock. And I'm gonna take it and just stick it up in there. And then throw these nuts on just to hold it in place. And now the next thing you gotta do is you gotta get this bolt back through the bottom. Most people say to take this upper ball joint loose and just let it fold down, and that probably would be way easier. But I was gonna see if I could do it without doing that, just by popping the strut out and using something to pry down on it to get it back in. Alright, so I had to go get some help because this was a lot of weight to push down, so I pretty much had to stand on this pry bar and let somebody push this bolt back through. And now all we gotta do is tighten up all the nuts that we took off. There's 1 down here, 3 up top, and it'll be good to go. Alright guys, so I've got both struts on now. Now all that's left is to throw the tires back on, and we'll see how much it changed the ride height, I guess. I didn't take a before picture or video. I guess you can see that in my old videos. So if this helped you guys, hit that subscribe button, hit the like button, and we'll get some more videos out to you. Thanks guys.